Just the term divorce is enough to make many hearts skip a beat, knowing the pain and the despair it may bring.
These days, there seems to be an explosion in products and services to help make this massive life change a little easier on everyone involved.
Going through a divorce, Sonia Fisher felt like a failure.
It can be something that's life-stopping.
So she signed up for Divorce Detox, a program that promises to teach you how to feel better, not bitter. Divorce Detox is one of many new programs, products, and services designed to take the pain out of a split. These days, you can find divorce coaches and divorce planners, a divorce toolkit, and even a divorce in a box.
Finally, people really realize that they need these resources.
Mother-daughter team Francine Barris and Nicole Fewer created a conference focusing on divorce after Nicole's marriage ended.
I think companies are starting to recognize that there are millions of people getting divorced every year in this country, and it's a niche that needs to be served.
Their Start Over Smart event is a 2-day conference and expo where divorcees can learn about all of the help that's now available.
We provide all the services people would need that they don't even think about: career advice, dating advice, advice on your children.
While there's no clear-cut statistic on the divorce business itself, it's clear it's in the billions and growing bigger by the day. Therapists and psychological organizations tell us it's great to have new options for people to find help, but with between 850,000 to 950,000 divorces each year, they stress each scenario in Splitsville can be very different. One universal bond, the recommendation to see a licensed professional.
It helps them lay the foundation for a new life, get closure from their past, and transition through this process, healing the emotions.
Sonia says she's living proof.
There's not the drama that used to be there all the time.
We spoke with a representative from the Family Institute at Northwestern University about this trend.
He explained all the additional avenues for help are a great option for those going through divorce, but he stresses each divorce can be different and each individual may need tailor-made help and guidance, which they can find with a licensed therapist.
All right, still ahead.